When the house was being constructed, I realized that this landing at the top of the staircase could be used for just about any purpose because there's so much usable space in here, as long as the middle was kept open so it could also work as a pass-through area. Since we're in Montana, and people gather together every time they come here for a trip, I thought it was important to use this as a flexible hangout space. This bunk bed has a full-size mattress on the bottom, which means this could be used as a sofa or even a day bed, so a bunch of people can gather in it and hang out. Above, we have a twin bed, perfect for sleeping. Then we have a collection of summery straw cowboy hats that really screamed Western summer to me. So that's kind of like a little artful moment that's just all about the Montana lifestyle. Then I wanted to ensure that there was a place to do creative projects or set up laptops. We found a live edge slab of wood. We cut it in half and fastened it to the wall as a floating workstation. Then the 3 vintage chairs you see below, they were gathered from different flea markets all around Montana for a little bit of a lived-in look. The black and white photo above is a man here in Whitefish, Montana, fishing on his lake with a huge smile on his face. On the opposite wall, we've got no art. Instead, we have sculpture in the form of instruments, an acoustic guitar and an acoustic banjo. Why? This space is also perfect to be used as an impromptu jam session room. Right here, this is a super comfortable structured beanbag chair that really welcomes you into the space and says, come here and sit down and hang out as long as you want. And that's what this room is all about.